Yeah, one thing I'm gonna do is write myself a note. All right, period. Because, like, if you don't, who is? Hey gorgeous babes, it's your girl Shakera back with another vloggity vlog. If it's the first time here, I'd appreciate it if you went ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And guys, I did make an intro. Like, I kid you not, I made an intro. I don't know what happened, but I hope you guys enjoy the vlog. Mwah.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made from a places. It's nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Make more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad. You got it bad for me.
Yo, this little girl is rude, bro. Y'all, if y'all ever come to Target, y'all should check out these zodiac sign candles. I know my sign smells good, and I smell Libra. That one smells good too, but I don't see no more Pisces. You love your toy? You love your toy? Just got back from Target. I did like a little hygiene re-up. I mainly went because tomorrow's my godson's birthday and I wanted to get him a gift. But I stocked up on stuff that I've been using, and I got a couple new products that I've been wanting to try. Everything is like all over the place. Nothing is really organized, so y'all bear with me. But in this bag, these are my favorite freaking gloves. Like, these are heaven sent, and I got 2 of them. So I've been hearing a lot of good stuff about this Method body wash. This one smells so freaking good. It has cucumber, seaweed, and green tea. And I also got another one from that brand. This coconut milk one, and y'all, like, they smell too good. So I'm excited to try it. I'm actually gonna use them right now. Ever since TikTok put me onto this mouthwash, that's all I've been using. I've tried every color, like the pink, the blue, the light blue, the dark green. This one, like, it's just bomb. I picked up 2 of them, and ooh, I have more bags. So I got this raw sugar body wash, and this is my all-time favorite. Like, before the whole native and the Method baby and all of that, I've been rocking with them before the girls on TikTok was TikToking. I also got the sugar scrub, and my favorite is the mango. I think it's mango. And I also got me another native body wash, and this is the only one that I love. And it's so crazy how everyone tastes and scent is just so different. Oh, and I also saw that native cell toothpaste. I picked up 2 of them. This one is the detoxifying charcoal with mint, and this one is just wild mint and peppermint oil. And yep. And also lately I've been into the Sensodyne toothpaste, so I restocked on that, and I just got the twin packs. And I also got this Dove, like, travel size deodorant. I already have the base to it. I just needed some refill, so I got that. And then I got a couple house things. So I got this energy candle, and it smells so freaking good. It has cedar and orange, and y'all, like, ugh, heaven. I was looking for my zodiac sign candles that I've been obsessed with, but they don't have none. So I picked me up some detergent, and I don't know if y'all know about this, but this is like my favorite brand. I don't use nothing else. No Oxy, no Tide. This is what I love. And I saw these beads. I think it's new. I'm not sure. And my favorite Downy fabric softener. I also got me some sheets, and This is my favorite brand sheet from Target. It's called Threshold, and y'all, it's giving luxury hotel vibes. Okay, so that's everything that I got from Target. I also got a package from Shein because your girl's going on vacation. In case I didn't tell you guys. Well, if y'all watch my vlogs, then y'all would know. But yes, it's going on vacation. Period. But yeah, guys, that's my little Hygiene Target haul, because hygiene just makes me happy, and I just love when I smell good, feel good, and also look good. So yeah, I'm so freaking excited to shower. Afternoon, guys. So I just got off the road. Let me breathe first. Whew. Like I was saying, I just got off the road because I had a gynecologist appointment, and I went and got me a pedicure. I was supposed to get a pedicure Friday because I'm going out Sunday. I'm like, my gynecologist is just a block away from where I get my feet done, so might as well. So my Godson is having a party at the park. I was gonna do a full face of makeup, but I'm not really in the mood for that. I stopped at this Spanish spot and I got some beef tacos. I had one while I was getting my feet done, and that shit tastes so good, like so good. And y'all could tell me about this a long time ago. I picked it up yesterday when I went to Target, and I was not expecting it to be this good. So I'm finally heading home. The part is really cute. It's like a jungle theme. And Madison was out and about, and she ate good. Normally she don't like eating when she home. I don't know what happened now. Hey guys, happy Sunday. So today is also Father's Day. I got a PR package, and I can't really show you guys the products yet. It's skincare. Like, I'm really excited about this skincare, and I'm gonna use it right now before I apply my makeup, and then I'm gonna use it tonight when I take off my makeup. Let me hurry up and do my skincare and makeup because my reservation is at 7:30, and I also have to drop Madison by at my friend's house because my friend's gonna babysit her for the first time. First of all, don't mind my dirty headboard. Tell me why I ordered a headboard, right? They say it was coming today. Them bitches lied, because when I check my email, they saying some back order, like I beg your pardon, what? Anyways, so let's talk about the restaurant, because I took my boyfriend out for Father's Day. Found it on TikTok, as per usual, drink link NYC. So the ambiance on point, the music, it wasn't really given, but everything else made up for that. Our waiter, I really like him too much. He was looking at us crazy like, what these bad motherfuckers doing here? But I ordered scallops, and them shits was bomb as hell. And I think they served it over garlic, black garlic, and mushrooms. Now, one, I don't know shit about no fucking black garlic. Two, I've never had mushroom a day in my life. It was 3 small pieces of scallops, but they were bomb as fuck. And he got the, I think, T-bone steak or ribeye steak, but that shit was bussin', okay? Bussin'. And we had Prosecco. I had Prosecco, and he had a glass of Moet. And then after that, we kind of had some cocktails. I really enjoyed it, and he also enjoyed it too. Y'all, guess what? A bitch got the purse. Okay, so this is she. I got it directly off the YSL website. And just the basic wrapping paper, dust bag, and the bag. So this is a bag, and honestly I didn't think it was gonna be this small, and I was contemplating if I should return it, but my boyfriend said, like, you know, it's a cute bag, it's different, just keep it. If anything, just get the bigger size in a different color, which I don't know why he tell me that. Don't get me wrong, it is cute, but it's just the size that kind of threw me off. But like, comment down below if I should keep it or return it. And I could fit my phone. I also could fit my camera inside. And thank God I don't have them bulky ass black cameras, because I don't know where she was gonna go. Yeah, one thing I'm gonna do is write myself a note. Alright, period. Because like, if you don't, who is? But I think I want to get like a whatchamacallit? I think I want to get like a card holder. But the card holder I'm gonna get, I want it exactly from this brand too, but I want it like black on black. But like, she's so freaking pretty, and I could bring it like a crossbody and top handle. I was looking up on Amazon for those little clips where you could use to like shorten the straps on a bag. I feel like if it's this length, it would like really give. So I already have it in my cart on Amazon. I just need to check out, y'all. I have like $200 worth of stuff on Amazon that I need to check out, and I don't know who's gonna buy all of that, but I don't feel like spending my money, so I don't know if y'all want to sponsor me or not.
If you want to stop me, you're gonna have to fucking kill me.
Fuck it, duck it. When I say I got the shooters, baby, no, I'm not bluffing.
Anyways, medicine is in my computer drawer. What you say? Yeah, say hi to my vlog, bitch.
Hi vlog.
Hi guys.
Really super happy.
First of all, that's not me. You're too rash, like that is not me. That is not me. That is not me. Oh, yeah, my friend took her exam today and a bitch passed. Alright? Period. Let me look at this.
They say opposites exactly get balance. I know whoever slept on you, getting mad is what I can blow. Check on you, take advantage. Ay, you're a good girl, but the baddest. And whoever tell you different, they was capping. I know whoever slept on you.